guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can remove effects and overlays once you've already saved a video on CapCut, saved a project. So select the project you want to edit, and as you can see there's these red and orange lines on the top here. You're just going to click on it, and that button over there where there is the overlay picture, as you can see it's like a teardrop shape. So you're just going to click on it and you can delete it here. Also with text, if you can't click on it, you're just going to have to go to text to delete the text. And also the video effects too, go to effects and then you can delete it here. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!